I've been printing some gliders for the kids and also printed this here, this launcher, but as you see, with only one end. Sometimes the plane will hit the launcher, so I redesigned it and did something like this with a space in between that the glider can pass it with its hook without getting affected. I just want to show you how I did this with Tinkercad. It was approximately 5 minutes, I think. As you saw, the quick and dirty design of the launcher worked much better than this one. Also my kids experienced problems. Always the plane hitting this piece here, and now they can shoot much better. That said, this model doesn't fly very well, at least my print, so I would prefer this one. And the third glider, this one is only for throwing. I will link the models in the description below. They are all from Thingiverse, and I will also upload this one and link it too, so you can download and print it, or you just do your little design yourself. Thanks for watching and happy printing.